Hey everybody, it's Luke here, and today we got the new engine for the Ford Windstar right here. Got it onto the front subframe. Almost have everything hooked up to it. Got it linked up to the tranny. And you can see the car is up in the air, and the whole front end is pretty much off. So essentially, there's nothing in it right now. And tonight it's going to be bolted up into the car and then getting it running again. And then with the old engine, as you can see, you got a pretty big hole here. And the verdict dropped the piston, that's why it stopped knocking. And it did have a terrible rod knocking sound. So the rod, you can kind of see. Where is it? Hold on. Crank this a little bit. Right here. It's either cylinder 3 or 4 that went. Right here, this one is broken. It threw the rod. There were fragments everywhere. And you could see right there, that's where the rod used to be, and then the piston is dropped, so it does not move anymore. So yeah, this engine is junk, and we got the new one right here. Thank God for that. Alright, be sure to subscribe for more. And goodbye, everybody.